Hey guys, Pablo here, and welcome back to another brand new video. Now in this one, we're going to talk about a project called BitBank, which is a company that is here for a lot of the years, actually 7-8 years. And they recently developed this wallet, the BitBank wallet, which we're going to talk about all the features of this wallet, what you can get in this different income modes through which you can generate income through your investments, how you can maximize your income, and we're actually going to take a look at how you can recharge, how you can basically how you can deposit, how you can withdraw. I'll actually show you guys. So that's what we're going to take a look at in this whole video. Make sure that you watch till the end, and do note that anything I say is not going to be an investment or a financial advice. So always do your own investigation research about any project in which you want to invest in. So make sure that you do that, and without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now, here we are at the official website of BitBank. We talked a little bit about this from the intro. Now we're going to get into details of this project. Now you can find a lot of videos from different people, and you can also get a lot of press releases and news articles about BitBank. So you have information, abundance of information all around the internet about this project, and not just from outside of the internet, but they have actually provided all those documents. For example, this one just has 81 pages, and by the table of content you can see that there's a complete abundance of information and details. So you don't have any need for anyone to read out stuff. So the whole aspect that we're going to take a look at in this video will be focused more on practicality, in which we're going to talk about their wallet. We're going to talk about how you can deposit, how you can withdraw. We're going to talk about income mode and commissions. So all of the practical information that is going to get you started. But of course, if you want basic information, you can either refer to those other videos that people are making, or you can come down here and read from the website and these documents. Although I prefer the presentation because it's much more brief and it'll give you a much better idea on the project. So this is what we're going to take a look at, and from the the website. First, we're going to get the overview. So it says, BitBank is the world's leading digital asset wallet focusing on quantitative trading and investment. It is committed to creating a world-class traffic portal for the metaverse and Web 3.0. It has acquired tens of millions of users groups in major countries around the world, forming an intelligent quantitative 3.0 strategy system of Oracle, artificial intelligence, and big data to earn profits in Web3, metaverse scenarios, and digital assets exchanges. Chooses different quantitative robots and lets wealth come to your door. The value of BitBank is infinite, waiting for you to develop together. And we're going to talk about all these things. Like, this is a brief overview of the project. We will get all the details of things that are mentioned over here, like the strategies, the quantitative robots, and how you can generate income. Here we have the application scenarios of the wallet itself, and what kind of features do you get in this one, because there are multiple wallets out there. So we need to know what benefits or what perks or what features are being offered in this one that'll persuade the audience to come into this one. Being secure, giving full custody to the users of their own assets. This is something that is, I would say, should be given, because I don't think people will be willing to embrace or start using this thing if this is not being offered. So first of all, we have those things. We have safe custody, transfer, and transaction of digital assets. We have loan management. It says broader coverage allows users to deposit cryptocurrency for interest, or pledge cryptocurrencies to lend out other currencies. So you have loan management, you have DApp, borderless access, you have digital asset financial management. Now this is something we talked in the overview. These things are being offered over here. This is the function system. So again, these are the things that are being offered, all the features that you have that you can take benefit from. So you have safe custody and trading of digital assets, you have artificial intelligence quantitative investment robot, you have futures and other options of investments, you have the app browser that is directly like into it, so you don't have to move outside of the wallet. You have digital asset mortgage loan, you have swap flash exchange, you have staking pledge mining, you have fixed income income financing and you have unit trust financing. Again, you have details of every little aspect over here from the documents. And now let's move forward toward the income mode, because as I said in the start, we should be focused more on the practicality and not on the details, not theoretically, more practical. So if you talk about the income mode, it says artificial intelligence intelligent robots support quantitative financial management of digital assets such as we have USDT, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Tron. The following table shows the monthly and daily yields of USDT under different commission periods. Now if you open up their wallet, this is actually the first thing that you actually see. So I'm going to show you guys in the end actually, but you can see you get these information in the first page of the wallet, which talks about for what period of time you are, different. It basically shows different commission periods and the profit that you can generate, the interest that you will generate through those time periods. In this case, of course, we know the more the time period, the more interest that we get. So we have, if you interest the assets for 1 day, you get a monthly rate of return of 24% and the daily return of 0.6%. If you interest the assets for 15 days, and this is, we're talking USDT here, you get 36% monthly and 1.2% daily rate of return. Now if you come to this presentation, which actually I'm going to give you guys in the description so you can get it for yourself. Now this talks about different number of amount of investments, so you can have a better idea on how much you should invest for what period of time and what you can expect to get in return. So you can refer to this one over here. And the maximum that we have, well, in this table is 60 days interested time, and the monthly rate of return, as you can see, is 72%, which is insane, and the daily rate of return is 2.4%, which is pretty decent. Now we have more information about the income mode, but now more with more in the amounts, not in the percentage. So if your interest, your interested principal that you had deposited is $10,000. If you interest that for 1 day, you will earn $2,400 per month, which is 24% monthly return, and it was about 0.6% per day. And if you interest for 1 month, which is 30 days, you get $4,800. If you interest for 2 months, you get $7,200, which is 72%. The interested income is issued every hour and is regularly issued to the wallet account, which you can use and withdraw at any time. After the commission expires, the principal will be automatically returned to your wallet account. And now this is a little bit more extension of the income mode, that more like a referral system. So in this one, this actually is referred to mining activities. So what happens is, if you refer a friend and that friend interest his principal or her principal of $1,000, you can get 10% of their income, which is 24 to 72 US dollars. If your friends also invite, so that is like 24% for one day, if they interest for 1 day, and then in monthly they get 24%, and maximum is 72%. So in that case, it'll be $24 or 72 US dollars. And if your friends also invite new friends to join, according to the following profit scale, you will soon be able to achieve financial freedom. So this does not just stop like your first referees, in a sense, the first person that you refer to, but if they further refer someone else, then this is like a whole chain. They create this chain, then you create this whole tree in a sense, and you're sitting in the center getting those things. And this goes for every single person that has been referred, and that's another way for you to get income. So if you take a look at that app, I'm going to show you guys my mobile screen, because that's where I actually have this. So as you can see, this is how the app looks like. This is what you see on the front page. So these are different commission periods that we already have discussed. We have 1 day that you get 24%, and then we have 60 days in the end that gives you 72%. Now you have their customer support, so if you need any help, you can get through that. You also have their Telegram and other social media links that I'm going to give you guys in the description too, so you can get it from there. You can see I have 20 US dollar. I already withdraw like 100 of them. So if you come to the, I'm just gonna go to the withdraw, and it says record. So as you can see, this one was completed. It was of 100 USDT, and now I have like 20 left. So I'm going to show you guys how you can withdraw that. So you're going to simply put the amount that you wanna withdraw. In this case, it'll be, the minimum is 3 USDT. So I'm going to put in 20 over here. Now you're going to put down your address, the TRC address, TRC20 address that you're going to, want to receive this in. So in that case, I'm going to go to my Trust wallet. I'm going to get in, this is my USDT, TRC20 address. So you're going to copy this. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to paste my TRC, the receiving address. And now here, I'm going to put in the transaction passcode. And once you have put down the transaction password, receiving code, and how much you want to receive, click on confirm, and it says successfully submitted. So now I just have to wait a little bit till I receive that on my Trust wallet, just to see that it is working, because it's a lot of people concerns that an exchange or a wallet like blocks people's their money, don't let them withdraw and stuff. So I think this is really essential to establish trust regarding this. Now it may take some time for it to receive. Until then, we're going to talk about other stuff. So this is how you can withdraw. You also have the option to recharge, which of course is something that you want to utilize. You're going to select then the currency that you want to deposit. For example, you want to deposit USDT, Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB, Tron, and BBT. First, you select the currency. For example, in this case, you select USDT. Then this is the QR code that you're given, or you can copy this, the address that you're given here. This is where you're going to transfer to. So it says, please send the currency and amount you need to recharge to this address through the client or online wallet. After the transaction is completed and the corresponding amount is confirmed, the system will automatically recharge the virtual asset to your account. It takes about 5 to 30 minutes, so please be patient. And then the same address can be recharged multiple times without affecting the result. Okay, so all you need is this address over here that you have, or you can scan the QR code. So let's say you have a Binance app on another phone. This is the QR code that you can scan, or you can put down or copy this address that you have over here on there, or you can use MoonPay for this one. If you have it on there, you're going to simply send the amount over there, whichever that you want to deposit. So let's say you send about like 20 USDT to this address over here. You're going to get 20 USDT in your wallet over here. Although it'll take like 5 to 30 minutes. Usually it's like much faster than this, but maximum is 30 minutes, just in case there's like a lot of transactions and the process is being slow. So this is how you recharge, and well, I already showed you guys how you can withdraw. And now here you can see the proof that it actually works, and I have received the amount. So basically, yeah, if you go to the recharge option, well, I already explained kind of how you can recharge from the USDT and how you can add the address and so forth. But the amazing things that we have here, you have 2 other apps that are directly integrated into it, which is really amazing, which makes things a lot simpler and convenient for us. So you have Binance and you have MoonPay. So if you click on the Binance, it takes you straight to the Binance app. So it's like you don't really need to get 2 apps. You can straight get one and you have that other one within it. So in the Binance, you can have you can see all those tokens, all those kinds that we have. You can add them as your favorite. You also have spot market, future market, new listings, and you also have filtration, whether you want to open up metaverse projects, gaming projects, DeFi, and so forth. So if we let's say go over here, you have the you want to go with the sand one, you want to buy it, you can do that directly from here because it is directly embedded. So I think this makes things a lot easier that you have this within that app. And apart from this, you also have MoonPay. So that's another option, another added bonus benefit that you have. So this takes you directly here without taking you to another browser. You can open it up directly from here. Now this is a video that basically explains how you can use this. So you can simply follow this whole video that you have here, and it'll teach you how you can use this and so forth. But if you're someone who already uses that, I think it's not going to be anything different that you want to learn. You can simply start using it right away because it is directly embedded over here. So you can see you can get started. You can buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy Tether, buy Litecoin, buy Binance Coin, buy Solana, and so forth. So again, this is directly into it, and these
two options that you have. I think these are one of the extra added bonuses that you have here.
Now, if you're looking to reach out to them to ask anything, to ask any question, or just basically want to become a part of the community, there's different ways that you can use. So I already showed you guys the Telegram group that they have. You can join that. I'm going to give you guys a link in the description. Now, one of the quickest ways, we have 3 different ways through which you can reach out to them. First one that we have, if you see on the website, we have the customer service. So you can click on this, you get the the live chat that is right here. So you can open it up on here. You can send them a direct message, which you can see doesn't really require any login of some sort or any sort basically, and you can directly message them over there. And if you have the WhatsApp web, if you have the Telegram on the web, you can use both these options that are over here. If you come to the app that we have right here, you get the same 3 options. You have the customer service. If you click on the customer service, again, it's going to load up the page, and then you can easily send them the message over here. You can contact them directly. The other option that we have is of their Telegram. Again, this is on the app, so click on the Telegram button that is right here, that is on the middle. It will open up the Telegram. You can contact them directly right here. You can send the message. I just sent the other one right away, so they responded quite quickly. As you can see, the previous one that we had that I asked for the Telegram group, it was within minutes. So you can simply reach out to them and get an answer within minutes. And the third option that we have here is of the WhatsApp, which is the last option that is right here. If you click on the WhatsApp, it will open up the chat. So this is where you can contact them directly on all 3 areas. Again, I'm going to give you guys the Telegram group too, so you can join it using that link. And basically, yeah, that's all you need to contact them. There's like 3 different ways to contact them directly and in a convenient and a quick manner. And just a quick notice, all the places where I messaged, as you can see in the screenshots that I received, the messages back within 5 minutes of after I send it. So I think that's pretty amazing. Again, you have all of the information of this whole project over here. I'm going to provide you guys all the links in the description to make sure that you check it from there. Still, if there's anything that you don't know, you don't understand, of course you can ask me in the comments. I'm going to provide you guys the Telegram links and the social media links, so you can become a part of their community. So if you want to ask them anything, you can ask them there. But yeah, this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned. Disclaimer: trading digital assets involve significant risk and can result in the loss of your invested capital. You should ensure that you fully understand the risk involved and take into consideration your level of experience, investment objectives, and seek independent financial advice if necessary. It is up to you whether to invest or not.